Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this nice logo here. I'll be using Affinity Designer, which is Affinity Designer 2. You can see here 2.2.1, and I have something here. I do this logo just by scribbling. So you can scribble anything on a paper and bring it here, and we can start now. To start with, or maybe before I start, let me show you the size of my layouts. I have this 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. So these are my settings. If you want, you can change this to 300. You can come here and create, but for my case, I already have it. So what I can do, let me come here. I want to start by creating a straight line here. So it's just a guide, or instead of a straight line, you can create guides. You can come here, to view guides, and create a guide here, but I prefer using line because it's much faster and I can delete it anytime. So I want to start with this bigger shape. Come here to my pen tool, click here, click there, then come to this node tool, drag, come to these handles, adjust them to your liking depending on what you want to achieve for the curve. So I think this is my curve. And come here and drag this a little bit there. Next, to come to this S, come on, click on ellipse tool, drag holding shift, and drag it. Mine, I'm going to drag it up that point, scale it a little bit while holding shift. Then I'm going to hold down control or command and drag a copy of it. You can resize it a little bit. I think here it's good. Depending on what you want to achieve. Maybe before I start with J, or with that straight line, you can drag this. Let's bring it up a little bit. And it can match this one, let's say there. Also this one. Can press down shift and arrow down key. So I think we are good with this. Next, I want this line there. Hold down shift. We have there. Then what I will do, come here, this, maybe somewhere there. So this line, I'm going to move it so that it can match here. I think that's good with me. Next, I want to create this shape. So what I can do, come here, take this knife tool and click there. So as you can see here, I want to come and click, cut at this center here. This one, knife tool. I think we are good with that. Also here, I want to cut there. The other is okay. So next, while I'm on here, can highlight this point, can come here to break curve, just break, highlight, delete. Next, click on this, highlight, break curve, highlight again, delete. So we need to join these two curves to form one curve. So let me try and bring it up a little bit. Somewhere there. So I can hold count this node tool, highlight that node, highlight the other node, come here to join paths. So you can see this is the shape formed. So what I can do, can highlight, and come here. Let me try and see how it is. Come to this, delete. So this is what I have. Then next, let's try and smoothen this part. So you can see now the curve is much better. So next, what I'll do, I'll come to my contour tool. Let me remove this line. I think we're done. Come to my contour tool, highlight this and give it let me say 12. I want curved curve or round curve. Click there, then you bake appearance so that you can form a curve. Next, this line of mine, give it 12 round curves, bake appearance, 12 round curve, bake appearance. So this is what I have. Next, what I'll do, I'm going to fill these shapes and do away with these strokes. So we click this curve here. Let me give it some. Let me remove the curve. Click this fill. Maybe something this like this one. Come to next. Remove curve. Come to fill. This way. Next. Remove curve. Come to fill. This one, let me give it a nice color here. Just a random color so that they can be visible. Then as you can see, this curve, this logo here, we have some space here, or rather some cuts. This J is continuous, while this S is made up of shapes. So let's go to our design. Now what I can do, I can click this line, Control C, Control V, so that I can create a copy of it. I'm going to lock and hide that copy. Then while I'm on the other line, can come here to contour. You can give it something like, let's say 5. Then I can make appearance. Then I can come here, highlight the S curve, highlight this line, come to this divide here. As you can see, we have a lot of curves. So next, what I'll do, I can come here and remove these curves. Can delete this curve. I can come and unlock this, make it visible. You can drag it down here a little bit. Let me join this, but as you can see, we have a little problem here. And come to this node tool, highlight that, delete, come here, hold down Alt, drag it, and come here to this snapping. Then you can align the nodes, align to nodes of selected curve. So what you can do, it will snap there, it will snap snap there. Or maybe for this one, you can drag it up a little bit. Come and repeat the same process here. Delete that. While I'm here, just hold down Alt, edit snap, come to this, snap it there, then I think this is good. Yeah. For the purpose of this tutorial, I think this is good. Then next, so you can see this is what you have. Let me give this shape different color. Now we have our dots up there. Come to ellipse, drag, holding down shift. There we are. Let me get the size of, let me create a line here. Then I'm going to drag it, holding down shift up to this point until it snaps. Then I'm going to hold down shift, control, and drag it until it snaps. Now these are of the same width. Yeah. Next, let me align this guy a little bit here, bring him closer. So this is what I have. I can come here, I can hide that. I'm going to create a group, so Control G to create a group. Then I'm going to create a rectangle, a square, snap the center, drag it, give it a black color here. Let me align them. So this is what I have. As you can see here, they are more or less the same. So maybe a bonus tip, what you can do, let me change color of our background a little bit. While I'm on this group, what I will do, let me come to effects layer and give it a nice bevel effect with this radius here. You can soften it a little bit. Also come to 3D, with the radius, you can soften it a little bit, maybe there. Specular, increase, shaniness, I think this is okay with me. So you can increase or adjust the ambient. Then you can click scale with the object. Next, what I'll do, you can come here and add light source, blah blah blah. So next, what I'll do, let me close this window. You can come here and also create a gradient overlay. Or let me remove the gradient overlay on this. Control Z. Let me add gradient overlay on this rectangle of ours. I'm here, gradient overlay. Then come to double click here, only a single click. And on this other one, hold that, click. Come here, I want this color here. Then this next here, I want this purple here. Just click. Then can change the angle or the type. In my case, I want to change the angle to 45. We have this. Can come here, scale it, object, close. Now for our logo here, and come and give it either black or white, depending with what you want to achieve. But for my case, I think I'm good. So this is what I have showed you, and this is what you have achieved. I've gone to an extra mile of trying to create this nice 3D like effects to our logo. That's the end of my tutorial. Thank you. Follow, like, subscribe. See you next time. Cheers.